November 8th, Shane and I made it to the stand. Had winds this morning that were changing from southeast, which is what it's been through these warmer days the past few days. And over a 4-hour period, it switched out to the northwest, so it was changing all that time. And since it's just going to be swirling during that change, we elected not to sit. So we just snuck up in here, didn't spook any deer on the way in, got set up, and right away we got does under the stand. Had a really nice buck that we had on the cutting back show up last night, walked right by the tree. It's drizzling. This is probably my favorite weather right now for the rut. I wish it was colder, but can't complain. It's not too hot, not too cold, it's just right. What's that story, the 3 bears? So, I don't know, we're sitting. When we first came to this property, we came in here, put these cameras up, and we noticed right away there was a dozen does that were bedding right here. And what this is it looks like a funnel in between 2 big properties. And it's a good sized timber. It's about 25 acres in size. A creek runs through it. And anyways, what these deer are probably going to be doing is cruising this creek. We've got doe bedding right in front of us. I say doe bedding because every time we've came in here, there's literally a dozen does bedded right there in front of us. So that's where that buck came from. He's probably checking it, cruising it. And he went south on this creek and cruised another doe bedding area. So I think transitions right now, like we're in, next to doe bedding, is a hot spot. It's pretty much the same 2 hot spots that I had for Hog Jr. last year, that sanctuary timber spot and a pinch. So, I don't know. No idea what we're going to see, but I'm out of my crappy mood. It just sucks because we put so much work in for GQ Jr., Chuck Norris, Lucky, OG, Vendetta, and they're all missing, or gone, or dead. So, we're starting over. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna see some big old bucks today, I think. But we'll see. I think from here on out, we're gonna be sitting every single day. She's gonna get sick of me here soon, and hopefully we get an heroin one here soon. So stay with us. Action will pick up.
get this buck on camera.
What? Yeah, we have a lot of pictures of him. She might be hot. Dude, that buck's gonna come over here. They're about to fight. I'll guarantee you.
This is insane.
I think that other buck's coming back here.
I don't even know where this is crazy.
Dude, please get close to them. They're about to fight. Watch this, watch this. I swear they're about to fight. Here, look. They're squaring up. Right now. Get ready. He's postured up, coming in. Oh, he's not gonna fight him. They're like 10 yards apart.
I don't see the other one.
He's behind the tree for you. He's making a scrape right now. Rob that guy. I thought that they were gonna fight. Well, that's the action we were looking for. I think I was grinning that entire time, but I mean, you guys saw it all unfold. I don't have to tell you how it happened. That was pretty gnarly when he snort wheezed at 10 yards right under the tree. I was doing everything I could not to laugh. It was so freaking cool. I mean, that's one of the top things I've ever seen in the deer woods. I couldn't believe Shay didn't laugh either. And then when he started doing the breeding grunts when he was walking away, I started first, then Shay started laughing. That was so cool. And then after he worked off of that doe, I was telling Shay, I was like, dude, it'd be so cool if another buck came in right now and look over my left shoulder. It's that buck that we saw this morning. And it's sweet November, man. That's one of my top moments in the woods in November. That was too cool. He ended up breeding her. I don't know. Did we get that on camera? He ended up breeding her. He's just probably off at 100 yards right now, just staying with her. So too much fun. We've got a deer walking in right now. Looks like a doe, but gosh, I'm just a little speechless right now. It's grinning ear to ear. It's just nice to have some good hunts. So we're gonna get after. We've been getting a few photos of this bigger buck on the other permission farm. We're gonna get after him, try and get a little tight on him. But we wanted to sit this just to see what how the deer move through here. I think we got a good idea. Learn a bunch. So we're gonna get out, make game plan for tomorrow, get a bite to eat, and get ready to roll. But I'm jacked up. That was that was so fun. So hopefully we can just start seeing some mature deer, and we'll get into the chips, right, Shay? And then Shay can go hunt.